Let me tell you the truth. You are not lost. You've just never been taught how to think about your life. I know that might sound uncomfortable, but stay with me. Because what you've been calling confusion is actually something much deeper and much more fixable. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button. You went to school, you followed instructions, you did what was expected of you. From a young age, your life was structured for you. Read this, write this, pass this exam, choose a course, and you complied because that's what success looked like. But here is the problem. Nobody ever sat you down and taught you how to think for yourself. Nobody taught you how to make life-defining decisions, evaluate your own desires, or question the path you were given. So now you are in your 20s, maybe 30s, and for the first time, life is asking you a question. What do you want? And suddenly everything feels unclear. So you panic. You start saying things like, I'm confused, I feel lost, I don't know what I am doing with my life. But let's call it what it really is. You are not confused. You've just never been trained to make decisions for your life. There is a difference. Confusion suggests something is wrong with you, but lack of structure, that means something is missing. And what's missing is a decision-making framework. Think about it this way. If I drop you in the middle of a city you've never been to, with no map, no directions, no guide, of course you will feel lost. Not because you are incapable, but because you lack orientation. And that's exactly what's happening in your life right now. So let's fix that. Here's what you actually need. Not motivation, not pressure, not more advice. You need a structure. Three things: self-awareness, exposure, and alignment. So I'm going to break it down right now. Step one, self-awareness. First, you have to have this self-awareness of who are you without pressure. Not who your parents want you to be, not who society rewards, not who your friends expect. I mean you. Your natural inclinations, your strengths, your interests, your patterns. Most people skip this step and it costs them years. Because if you don't know yourself, you will keep building a life that doesn't fit you. And when it doesn't fit, you will call it confusion again. Step two, exposure. What options even exist for you? Because here is the truth. You cannot choose what you have never seen. Many people are stuck not because they lack potential, but because they lack awareness of possibilities. They only know the careers around them, the paths their friends are taking, the safe options that society promotes, and they mistake that limited view for reality. And this is where most people get it wrong. Most people miss step two, and that's why they stay stuck. Let me explain. If your exposure is limited, your decisions will be limited. So even if you try to figure your life out, you are choosing from a very small menu. And that's not clarity, that's restriction. Step three, alignment. What actually fits your nature? What looks impressive, not what sounds successful, not what gets validation, what fits you. Because a life that looks good on the outside can feel empty on the inside. Alignment is where your strengths, your interests, your environment come together. And when that happens, something powerful occurs. Clarity stops being something you chase and it starts becoming something you experience. So no, you are not lost. You've just been operating without a system. And once you fix that, everything begins to change. Your decisions become clearer, your direction becomes stronger, your confidence becomes natural. Because now you know how to think. if you want my full clarity system, the exact step-by-step process I use to help people move from confusion to direction, click the link below. That's where we go deeper and get practical.